Sanibona bafethu uvani lo. So iBafana Bafana isibuyile ke Morocco. So ade khona beindaba bezokhuluma with ama players aphuma le. Yabo. So abeindaba ke basitholile isikhathi sokuthi bakhulume nocoach bezwe uvo lwakhe regarding ama games adedlala le eMorocco. Uthi abadlali yabo ngokwakhe yena oba asese kanjani and badlale kanjani and luphi ushintsho okumele lube khona nje because bayodlala le World Cup. So bembuzile uHugo Bros uyasho ukuthi yena ngokwakhe i-disadvantage abenayo with iBafana Bafana is that some of the teams adedlala kwi-AFCON ingoba ama-players akhona ama-players alowo ma-team abedlala le e-Europe abedlala kulama leagues ase-Europe. Uthi yena ngokwakhe abadlali base-South Africa kumele bathole i-opportunity yokuthi bahambe bayodlala le e-Europe. Uthi kumele abadlali abasuka la eSouth Africa bahambe bayodlala le e-Europe. Yabo mhlawumbe umunye lento le angayithatha ayibhekisele mhlawumbe umunye lento le angayi-adopta ayicabangisise kahle. Yabo mina ngokwami, if you remember the last time we played i-AFCON, the last AFCON we played, most of the players who were playing in that squad were playing kuma leagues ala e-Africa. Yabo if you can go back bafethu, you can look at the squad esasidlala lapha ngo-2023 esadlala kwe-AFCON. Abadlali abaningi babesuka la same as this squad esasana kuphuma. Abadlali abaningi basuka la. Yabo it's a pity that this time sekhona abaningana basuka phesheya. Yabo the likes of Tylon Smith, the likes of Shandra Campbell, the likes of Mhankota, the likes of Ngezana, you see Osithole kanje. Yabo iningana selisuka phesheya kakhulu manje. Yabo but mina engakusho angivumelana lento leshiyo Hugo Bros. Angivumelani kakhulu. I feel like yabo creator a certain narrative regarding ama players ala. Yes, asiyona ileague enkulu. Yabo asiyona ileague etheni. Abadlali base Europe badlala answempu kunathi. Yes, it's a good thing. That is true. But you have to go back kwischeme osethile. Yabo kumele uyithathe accountability. I feel like he is running away from a certain accountability angafuna ukuyithatha. Yabo yes, the last game we played against the Cameroon, some of the misses eswamisile lapha, some of the players didn't take their chances. But if we had enough attackers, maybe we could have had enough chances. Yabo because asibanga nama chances amaningi because we didn't have a lot of attackers. If we had a lot of attackers, we would have won the game. Yabo mina that is my take regarding into ebengayisho Hugo Bros. Yabo bengasho no man, Hugo Bros, you must say this and this and this because right now you are running away from the truth. Iqiniso limsula bafethu. Yabo limsula nje iqiniso. We can win with our African players. We can win with our players aqhamuka la eAfrica. Singakwazi ukuthi siwine ngapha. Asikwazi ukuthi sibelieve la kuma league ale Europe. And I've been seeing le AFCON le bafethu sisiprovelile vele ukuthi ama countries amaningi anama players adlala eEurope azodominate. Yabo nje bezodominate nje i-team ingekho organized bazoshayeka ngempela. Yabo so I was disappointed ngokuzwa le indaba lezi, but ke wena you can tell me in the comments. Oh by the way, Captain McKenzie bambuzile regarding uHugo Bros ukuthi uHugo Bros uzohamba yini noma uzowenza njani. Washo Captain McKenzie uthi akayindawo Hugo Bros azoqhubeka abe ucoach uBafana Bafana. I don't know what's your take on that, kodwa ke vele ucoach kumele aqhubeke. Yabo kumele aqhubeke ucoach, kumele alungise lawo ma mistakes lapho nalapho, but ke Captain McKenzie akumele ahlangane kakhulu neBafana Bafana. Akusiyona Bafana kuphela sports, there are other different sports akhona la South Africa. Yabo yena nje uhlaze efuna ukuhamba nalabafana la everywhere la kune camera khona, uhlale ufuna ukubukwa nje. Angiyithandi le nto ngaye, but ke there's a story for another day. Yabo ngangitshela wena, how do you feel regarding le indaba lezi?